Welcome, it's denome. Bitcoin actually did it. So Bitcoin, it broke through the $20,000 barrier here, and we're currently at $21,700. And this is super good. I'm super happy Bitcoin actually did it. And I was expecting it to go to 20,000, and it just went through it with really good volume through the structure. So this breakout has been confirmed right now. So this is really, really good for Bitcoin. It's really good for crypto. And we're currently at price discovery, which just means that basically there's no previous data on Bitcoin because we never have been this high. So from this point onwards, it will be harder to do technical analysis. So if you want to do technical analysis, you have to go to shorter time frames. So maybe you go to 5-minute candles or 15-minute candles. So it will be getting a little bit crazy from here. But now we're at the parabolic phase with Bitcoin. So if we keep going upwards from here, I do believe that the price moves will be bigger and bigger going forward. But from now, what I personally believe is that maybe we go to 23,000, maybe 24,000, then a pullback, maybe a pullback all the way down to the previous all-time high as well. But from there, I do think that the altcoins will want to catch up. And the first altcoin that will catch up, I do believe it will be Ethereum. Because Ethereum is the second highest coin on the market, but it hasn't broken through the all-time high yet. So that's why I do believe that a lot of the investors will start to look into Ethereum currently, because you can do the actual technical analysis here. But I do believe also that the retail people will be looking to come back into Bitcoin, because as of now, anyone who has bought Bitcoin and held it is currently on profit. So that's why I do believe that a lot of the retail people will start to think like, okay, it will always go up. It will always go up. So better I buy some of the Bitcoin because my money is not appreciating currently. So this is already confirmed by some of the news that I saw there. I will showcase them later on in this video so you get an idea what the news headlines will actually look like now and going forward as well. So now let's just talk about Ethereum quickly. So Ethereum, it actually did this structure here that I showcased in not this video, but this video here. So this structure that I had in this video, it is from Ethereum, and it actually played out to the T here. So we're currently at $640 currently. So super nice to actually see it make a new high here on the chart. But yeah, that's what happened there. But another thing that I have to apologize is that I said that we're either going to go to all-time high or the Bitcoin dump will be caused by the Mt. Gox FUD, or when they were supposed to release a plan to release their Bitcoin, and they actually released the information. So you can go to mountgox.com, and on the front page you can open this document here. So this is a draft of a plan to release their Bitcoin, but there's no dates here, no deadlines, no public details basically. So it was a little bit confusing, and I did make an update here on my denome announcements Telegram channel, so you can subscribe these to get these notifications. I do some TA on real time, and I give some tips here and some ideas as well. And it's a good idea to subscribe to this one because you can actually get a notification. So here I did say that markets moved up slightly after this announcement. So I made this post about 1 hour after this was released here, but I do have to apologize that I did not post it on the community tab here like I usually do when there's some major announcement. So I don't know why I forget to do it, but anyway, I for some reason did not post it here. I don't know why. I have to apologize for. I will try to do it better in the future, but that's just what happened there. And if you are a subscriber, you can get these community posts as well, but you cannot get a notification from these as far as I know. So it will be a little bit random if you get any notification there. That's why I suggest you subscribe to the announcements here as well. Anyway, Ethereum, I do believe that if we go to the longer time frames, the next target for Ethereum will be actually this $780 level to $830 level. So this is the next resistance line, and after that I do believe that once that is broken, maybe we go here and go back here, and then we're gonna head to 14,000. So maybe let's say 2-3 months Ethereum could be reaching its all-time high as well. So when that happens, I do believe that Bitcoin will be going upwards as well, but for Ethereum to at least catch up, I hope that Bitcoin will actually calm down a little bit, so people will start to get their emotions in check and start to actually look for other opportunities as well. And that's why I do believe that altcoins will be primed for a really good run up in the short term, because you still have these technical analysis patterns here that you can actually reference to, which you cannot currently do with Bitcoin. So altcoins, I'm really bullish on altcoins as well going forward. And if we actually take a look at ETH BTC, I do believe that Ethereum is quite undervalued compared to Bitcoin on this chart here. And if we actually go to the lower time frames, let's go to the auto here. We actually did get a move to the downside here from this descending triangle pattern. So I do think that Ethereum has short-term negative price action compared to Bitcoin, but from here maybe it will bounce from these levels or these levels. So keep an eye out for that as well. But Ethereum currently, the network is super congested. The gas fee is super high currently. So this is one thing that Ethereum will have super hard time going forward, is that when the price of Ethereum is going up, the Ethereum gas fees will go up as well, because the gas fees are paid in Ethereum, and if one Ethereum costs more, then the gas fees are higher. So going forward, layer 2 solutions will be quite important for Ethereum for it to actually be able to compete in the marketplace. So a lot of layer 2 solutions are super in high demand when Ethereum is going upwards in price as well. Anyway, this is my next target for Ethereum, then this target. If we're actually going to go to this target, I'm considering actually selling some of my Bitcoin into Ethereum more, because I'm more bullish on Ethereum in the long run as well. It is the second biggest coin out there. Institutions are already buying it, and institutions already have funds for Ethereum as well. So I do think that Ethereum will be really good going forward as well as an investment, but the network could be pretty disastrous for a while until the layer 2 solutions are out there. So now the next thing I want to do is congratulate Tyler, the host of Chico Crypto channel. He actually finally got a haircut. So he predicted that Bitcoin will reach 20,000, but it did not do that. So since then he has been growing his hair, and he promised that when Bitcoin breaks 20,000 he will do a haircut. So he actually did a live stream where his hair was cut off. So congratulations to him. I did post a comment here. He actually kept his words. Hats off to him. So congratulate on him. Next one, some of the news articles that happened just in the last hours. So I don't know what this is. Boston Herald, Bitcoin surges past 20,000. Wall Street Journal, Forbes 20,000, Reuters 20,000, CNBC. And these are the kinds of news that you will see more and more and more once if Bitcoin keeps climbing higher. So this family traded all their gold for Bitcoin in 2017. That bet has nearly tripled as Bitcoin breaks above $20,000. So you can see more and more these success stories being in the marketplace as well. So this is really good. Crypto exchange Coinbase hit by tech trouble as Bitcoin breaks 20,000 Forbes, CNBC, Business Insider, Coindesk, Bitcoin Magazine, Internal Business Times, NASDAQ, Coindesk, Bloomberg. So I do believe that more eyes are coming into crypto as well. And there's just one news that I saw this week. Also, it was actually concerning PayPal, because PayPal currently they allow crypto. You can hold crypto on PayPal accounts and buy crypto on PayPal accounts. It's only a limited number of cryptos you can buy. You can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and some other ones. I think Litecoin is there as well. But they just announced that they will actually allow their $28 million merchants to actually start accepting cryptocurrency payments on their PayPal merchant gateway account. So that's quite good for the mainstream adoption. But this is a competitor directly for cryptocom and even SXP. So it's good for PayPal, it's good for adoption, but it's another competitor for those companies that I mentioned earlier. But basically, since they allowed the cryptocurrency payments, the PayPal stock has almost doubled here. So more and more companies are wanting to get into the crypto action. So look forward to that one as well. So company adoption for crypto is just going forward as well. So that's another narrative going forward. Next one, let's just talk about some of the altcoins here. So if we take a look at altcoin action as well, for the last 24 hours, a lot of green numbers here. Almost everything is on the plus side here. Super nice to see these numbers, but some of the coins that I actually hold have not gone up here. So one of those is Orion. So this is a coin that I actually gave a warning this Monday that consider that it will be probably getting dumped because there was a token release on 15th this month for early investors. The next one will be 2 months from now. So whenever that happens, there's always a dump. And they released their terminal, and I saw CryptoLark already made a video about Orion. So if you get it at these price levels, this could be a good idea. I did buy some Orion at about $2.55 range, and if it keeps dropping, I will be buying more Orion as well going forward. So it's just something I DCA into because it is going down, and it's down quite significantly in the last 7 days as well. So that's my plan with Orion there. But yeah, a lot of good numbers here. Even SXP, it was $0.83 when I actually bought a bunch of it. So it's up quite a bit, which I'm happy about. But CRO, it's up quite a bit, but not as much as Bitcoin. Celsius Network Token is up quite a bit as well. Happy to see these numbers. One more thing I just want to mention about CRO is that they finally were able to ship their first cards into Canada. So this just happened today that the first Canada cards are confirmed now. So yeah, I'm actually bullish on CRO and SXP now more because they are primed for the retail people to come into crypto, and the crypto cards are just the first easy to access way to actually get into crypto. And if you Google crypto, you will see crypto.com as the first solution there. So when that happens, I do believe that they will do good as well in the future. Anyways, that's it for this video. Yeah, so just recap, what I do believe with Bitcoin will do is we will probably go to $24,000 range, and then a pullback maybe all the way down to $20,000 just to come back here, and then probably sideways action, or Bitcoin will slow down its move, and people will be allocating more funds into altcoins, mainly Ethereum. I do believe that. And when Ethereum price is going up and up and up, I do believe that the Ethereum gas fees will start to be super annoying for people. So that's when layer 2 solution coins will also pump as well. So that's pretty much some game plan I have currently in my head. It's not 100% formulated yet. I'm still wrapping my head around which coins will try to pump first, and then another coin, and then another coin. But it's a chaotic mess, and no one get it right. But I try to do it as right as I can. Anyway, if you want to get these updates, consider subscribing to the channel, like this video if you thought this was useful or interesting, and comment down below if you have some ideas of coins that could pump following this Bitcoin all-time high break, and let me know your Bitcoin price predictions in the short, medium and long term as well. It's always interesting to share ideas as well. Anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and I will see you on the next video.